Okay, this is like shot 10. But I am back with a video. Pen pal video. I'm so close.
I dream I know deep up my feelings.
Let's just get this over with. So, I am here today with a pen pal video. Yeah, I have a pen pal. Well, it's not really a pen pal, but she's an army, sent me mail. This cute little package. I'm covering the address because, yeah. But, she sent me mail today. Well, I received this today. And we're going to be opening it. I have not even opened the seal. I don't know what's in here. But we shall find out together. I'm praying this video goes well. But this is the mail that she sent me has a cat and a heart sticker, stamp. And then it just has her name and my name. And the back is just this. So I already opened the tape to make it easier. But yeah, so let's just... Oh my gosh. What is this? How cute. Guys. Oh my. Okay, this is so hard. I'm like filming this with one hand. But how adorable. Dude, this is legit a Polaroid. Oh my gosh. And that's Jim. Oh, I might break it. How cute is this? Thank you. The next thing is this. Oh my, dude, this is so freaking cute. Okay, hold up. She even has like a little flower. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will open this off camera in a bit and show you guys. And then there's a few more things. Oh, nope, just a letter. And it says, Rosie, I'm happy to have a friend like you. You're so cute. Please love Jim and more. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's it. But dude, I love it so much. Okay, so these are the photos that it came with. This is the first one you guys saw. It was like, oh, I can't. This is so cute. This is literally a film. How cute. And then it came with a little Hobie sticker. And then it also came with this sticker picture. I don't know, but it's cute. And then it also came with the BTS cartoon. And these are also stickers. Oh, thank you. This is so adorable. Yes, but I am sending her her gift soon. I'm still in the process of packaging it and writing letters and stuff, but I love it. Thank you. Okay, so I love everything she gave me. This one is my favorite. Look, just like, he's so precious. Oh, it's not even focusing. But he's so precious. Thank you to this army friend. I will give her Instagram there to follow her. So follow her there. But and follow me too. But yeah, I hope you guys like this small unboxing video. Like I said before, I am doing her gift soon, and so it's in the process, but I will hopefully ship it out soon, and I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, to the army who gave me this, I love you. You're so adorable. You deserve the world. You deserve every little thing. Yeah, I hope that you are doing well, and to all my other army friends, I hope you guys are doing well too. I love you guys. Have a nice day.
I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow.